Welcome back to Tasty Kitchen with Jane. Today I'll be sharing this authentic achara soup recipe with a traditional cooking method that gives this incredibly rich and delicious flavor. Please stay with me till the end because I'll be sharing the secret that makes this achara soup taste like it was just made in the village, and you won't believe it how easy it is to make this achara soup from scratch. So let's get into the process. So I'll be showing you the ingredients I'll be using preparing this achara soup today. So I'll be using some goat meat, dried fish, stockfish, some cow meat. I have dry prawns, my egusi mold, I have okazi leaf, red oil, I have my red and yellow habanero pepper, I have some egusi, dried blended egusi, then I have onion, I have my diced pomo, and I'm also using mushroom, which is very optional in this soup. I'm using it because I love it. I'm also using some pala fish, crayfish, and I also have this thickener here of 4, and this is the star of the show, the achara. So let's get into the cooking process. So I'll first of all start by preparing this achara. Like, this is how you prep it for the soup. Can you see what I'm doing? This achara can take some time to prepare, but I'm done preparing the achara. So here is what we have. So this is what we'll be using for our soup. So let's get into the cooking. So I'm going to go in with my goat meat into my pressure pot. Then I'm going to go in with some onion, some pepper. I'm going to add salt and seasoning. Then I'll allow this to cook till it is tender. Achara soup is a traditional soup originally from Abia State, and it is one of the soups that is being made when they are having occasions. Like, it is a traditional soup and they don't joke with the soup at all, and this soup is actually very flavorful and very tasty. So if you've not tried this achara soup before, I think you should save this video and try this soup one of these days because you will thank me later. While our goat meat is still cooking, I'll go in with my stockfish into another pot. I'm going with my pre-cooked cow skin, my pomo. Then I'll bring this to a boil. Then by this time our goat meat is tender already, so I'm just going to add it into the boiling stockfish and pomo. I'm also going to go in with my dried fish, my pala fish. Then I'm going to add a bit of red oil and I'll bring this to a boil. So our soup is boiling already, so I'm going to go in with my thickener, which is of 4. I mix it with some red oil so that it doesn't have lump. Then after adding my thickener, I'll go in with my egusi mold. If you would like to know why I made this egusi mold, please let me know in the comments and I'll make a video of how I achieved this egusi mold. Then I went in with some crayfish powder, I went in with fish powder, and I went in with my prawns. Then I'll stir this, then I added my mushroom. Then I'll allow this to boil before I'll go ahead to add the achara into the soup. At this point, if you are still watching, please kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so, and please kindly click the notification button and kindly give this video a thumbs up. Back to the soup. The soup is boiling already, so I didn't add any more seasoning to the soup because my meat was properly seasoned, and I added a lot of crayfish powder and a lot of fish powder to the soup. So the soup is tasty already, so there was no need for seasoning. So at this point the soup is already boiling, so I'm going to go in with the achara and I'm going to go in with the okazi leaf. So I'll just bring this to a boil for a few minutes and the achara soup is ready. And enjoy. You can enjoy the soup with any swallow of your choice: fufu, gari, semo, but I think the best swallow that goes with the soup is fufu. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.